Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by proving who you are. Open the Zilch app or website and choose Sign Up. You will provide an email, a phone number, and a photo ID. This fast verification prevents delays. Once done, add a debit card for instant approval and enable camera access for ID capture. Make sure your billing address matches the bank records, because mismatch can slow verification. After the phone code and ID check, you land in your account, ready for the next step. Next, link a debit card and generate a virtual Zilch card if you prefer not to share bank details. When you add the card, the app performs a tiny authorization charge to confirm ownership. That's normal and refunded. Once linked, pick Zilch at checkout or paste virtual card details into the payment fields, then choose 4 interest-free payments. Make sure to enable notifications so you receive payment reminders, and check the app to monitor. To complete the process, confirm your first payment and set up autopay if you want hands-off management. This avoids missed installments. Once active, manage card details, view receipts, and handle disputes inside the app's help section. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, stop and retry ID capture with a clear, well-lit photo and ensure your document matches your profile exactly. Often that fixes it. Finally, contact support through chat for unresolved issues, and keep an eye on notifications for status updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.